Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Focus on the core mechanics. In this video, I will explain how to play Counter-Strike 2 better. First, dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to aim training maps, focusing on flick shots and tracking. Second, master movement, practice counter-strafing to stop instantly for accurate shots. Third, always maintain excellent crosshair placement, anticipating enemy positions at head height. These foundational skills are crucial for consistent performance and will significantly elevate your gameplay. Next, elevate your game with superior map knowledge and utility. Spend time learning every map's common angles, timings, and callouts. This awareness allows for better positioning and anticipation. Crucially, practice throwing essential utility like smoke, grenades, and flashbangs. Knowing precise lineups can block enemy vision or blind opponents, creating opportunities for your team. Coordinated utility is a powerful force multiplier. Effective economy management and strong team play are vital for success. Always consider your team's money before buying, ensuring everyone can purchase essential gear. Communicate constantly and clearly. Call out enemy positions, utility usage, and intentions. Remember, Counter-Strike is a team game. Work together, trade kills, and support your teammates. A well-coordinated team will consistently outperform individual skill alone, leading to more victories. Finally, cultivate a strong mental game and strive for consistency. A positive attitude helps you learn from losses and stay focused. Review your own gameplay demos to pinpoint errors in positioning, aim, or decision-making. This self-analysis is invaluable for growth. Remember to take short breaks during long sessions to prevent burnout and maintain peak performance. Continuous improvement and mental resilience are key to becoming a truly better player.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.